And please, if you're watching my video, when you see ads, I beg of you, don't skip ads, because that is the way I can earn from this channel. If you skip any ads, I can't earn anything. Okay, it's not about the views, it's not about the subscribers, it's about the numbers of ads that you watch. If you watch like welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your favorite baby girl, Rejoice in the building. Thank you so much for tuning in again. In case you are new to this channel, you're seeing this beautiful face for the first time, thank you so much for stopping by to watch this video. I really appreciate. My name is Rejoice, all the way from Ibadan, Nigeria. Thank you so much for stopping by. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell, like this video, share this video, and leave your comments at the comment section. Thank you so much to my viewers and my subscribers. Thank you so much to my returning subscribers. I love you guys. Thank you so much for your love and support. I really appreciate you. Don't forget as well to like. You know how we roll now. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you guys. Can see that this girl is super excited today. Like, you can even see that my face is pumping. Look at my dress, look at my hair, look at everything is pumping. Oh my god, thank you so much. I really appreciate. So guys, in today's video I will be sharing with you how I got my 4,000 watch hour and how I got my channel monetized, because now your girl is in partnership with YouTube. Yes. So if you see ads, don't skip it. If it's in your capacity not to skip it, please. When you see ads pumping on any of my video, don't skip it, because that is how your girl will be paid, from YouTube. Anyways, guys, I will be sharing a little story about how I started my channel and the challenges along the way, and just sit back, grab a cup of juice, okay, and your popcorn, okay, or anything you like. Just keep eating and let's just enjoy this story. Thank you so much. So guys, I started my channel in the year 2017 when I was outside my country. I started August 25th. I started my channel August 25th, which was my first upload. Why do I start my channel? I actually started my channel because I wanted to express myself, because then I noticed that a lot of youths of my age and even above my age then, they don't understand something, and I was looking for a platform whereby I just want to express myself. I was considering Instagram. Then I was like, people does not really read stories on Instagram like that. Then I didn't even have much followers. I think I have like 1,000 followers on my Instagram. So I was like, okay, this YouTube would be the best platform for me to express myself. Then once I upload, I send my link out to my WhatsApp group, to WhatsApp contacts and everything like that, to groups as well. So I started August 2017, and I was enjoying everything. I do get a lot of feedbacks that, oh, Rejoice, you're doing well, we love this, we do now. So I was consistent for like 4 months. I started August and I was consistent till around December, thereabout. I keep uploading, people keep watching, and we're enjoying everything together. Then 2018 I returned back to my country, and humanly speaking, I didn't plan to stop my YouTube channel. No, I never planned to stop uploading, and but then Nigeria, my country is a country whereby we don't have 24 hours light. Data is fucking expensive, and along the way I had challenges whereby I was considering relocating to another state. So I was looking for accommodation, everything in another state, and I was like, okay, now I need to look for a way out, and you know, humanly speaking, it was not easy for me, so I couldn't continue in the year 2018. Like that year is one of the, it was very, very tough. Like when I mean tough, it was tough for me, so I couldn't continue. Then 2019, you know, I planned that, okay, now I need to go back to my YouTube career, YouTube journey, that I want to, this girl just wants to talk, she wants to express herself, she wants to, you know. And I was like, when my former apartment, you know, I don't really like the background and everything. Then even apart from that, electricity was, you know, it was crazy in my former area. Like we don't really have light, and people, whenever we have light, it's a busy area whereby you will be hearing noise, different noise from different angles. It's always busy. Like during the day, you can't shoot, you can't film, you can't do anything. The only time I have, you know, that I can film, as at that 2019, my former apartment, is probably early in the morning. Like early in the morning, that was the only time. Then I was like, okay, what can I do? So I think I uploaded around June or something. I uploaded like 3-4 videos around June to around September. Was it September or August? Then I was running another program with University of Ibadan, so it really consumes much of my time. I cannot really film, upload. Then when my rent was, you know, about to expire, and I was like, oh no, this is the time for this girl to leave this apartment for a better apartment and a better area whereby there's no noise. Even though most times there's always noise here, especially generator noise. Generator noise here is crazy. Like once they off the lights like this, from left, right, front, back, generator. In fact, sometimes I have headache just because of generator. Even now, as I'm shooting this video, you can be hearing that little sound of generator. That is my country for you. We don't have 24 hours electricity. But then when I was searching for apartments, you know, a better apartment to relocate, I had another challenges. I had, in fact, a very vital accident. A very vital accident that almost claimed my life. Yeah. But I thank God, because, you know, when God tells you that it is not, is yet to be done with you, any challenges might come, but I need to tell you, you will overcome. Yeah, you will overcome. So when I got the apartment, I had a very tedious you know, accident. Then I could not do anything. It was, in fact, it was, people thought we won't survive the accident, because it was a bike accident, and it was on an express road. A bike accident on well-tied road, express to be precise. So people were screaming. They thought we will never survive it. But here I am today. All glory be to God. So when I felt better a little bit, you know, from the accident, the scars were already, you know, eating up. If you want to watch that video, I think I said a little story about, you know, how I had an accident and how I was robbed by people that claims to help us, you know, to take us to hospital. I will link the video at the description box if you would like to watch it and listen to my story. So then August 15, I was able to shoot a video, and I was like, now I need to go back to my YouTube career. Like I need to take this very, very serious now. So I started my channel fully, like fully, in the month of October 16, 2019. That was when I was able to start, and at the long run, I keep meeting different YouTubers, going to people's stream, and you know, I keep meeting amazing people in this beautiful community. Then I was, you know, when I read about the threshold. Before you can be monetized, you must have 4,000 watch hour. That results to 240,000 minutes and minimum of 8,000 subscribers. And as at that August, I think I had like 400 and something subscribers, and I was like, no, 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 no. Hey, when will I get to this 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours? I didn't even bother to check my watch hours at that time, because I know the previous upload that it doesn't count for me, because you know the 4,000 watch hour is within 12 months, within 12 months. And you know, I uploaded around that June to around August, so I had watch hour, of course, from those videos, because most of my viewers, when I check the watch hour maybe around January, I noticed that I had much watch hour, like most of my viewers, they always watch my videos in full. So to cut the long story short, I saw that people were streaming and they were like, oh, this is one of the ways to get your watch hour. And I was like, hey, streaming, this is a country whereby 24 hours we don't have. Data is fucking expensive. And you know, I was like, okay, what will I do? Then I started thinking, strategizing everything, and around January I started streaming. And when I started streaming, I really love it, because I'm this girl that just want to talk to people, I just want to express myself. And you know, the live streaming was, you know, it was so sweet. My first streaming, I enjoyed it so much. People were in, many people, like 30 something people were on the stream with me, whereby we were talking, we were gisting, you know, saying something that will add to us. People were contributing and everything. It was so sweet. So when I started streaming around January, I was not 100% consistent. Why? Because we don't have 24 hours lights. Then around February, I ran out of cash. Yes, I ran out of cash, because data is very expensive in this country, and you know, I could not stream. Then at that point, I think I was sick again. Yeah, I was sick a little bit. I was sick for like 2 weeks, and I was like, hey God, I want this channel to be monetized as well. I want to get my 4,000 watch hour. 240,000 minutes is not a joke. And I was like, okay, what next? Then I started investing on this channel. I started investing in the aspect of data, buying data to stream and stream and stream. So I was consistent from, I think, ending of February till around April. I keep streaming, I upload regularly, and you know, I was very consistent, and people love this baby girl. To everyone that supported me this far, oh my God, I don't know how to appreciate you, but my prayer is, anywhere you need help in life, God will attend to your needs. If you need a single help, 10 people will arise for your sake. Thank you so much. You know, at the long run, people were like, oh, Rejoice, to get your 4,000 watch hours, well, you need some people to run your playlist. And they were like, you can join Playlist Buddy. And I was like, I say one thing about me is I love people that are faithful. I love when you know, when you say the truth about yourself. I don't like, you know, saying what I'm not. No, I'm this girl that I'm very blunt and very plain. I would rather tell you the truth. You might not love me, but I don't care. So I told her, I said, I can't join Playlist Buddy. Why? Number one, we don't have 24 hours electricity in my country. So how, if you give me, like, if you help me to run my playlist for like 2-3 days, and here they might decide not to even give us light for like 3 days. They might decide not to give us, especially if the transformer or something is faulty. It takes them like 3 to 5 days before they repair it, and you cannot predict. So I was like, I can't join it. That anybody that wants to help me can go ahead and help me. And humanly speaking, you guys are amazing. A lot of content creators like me keep supporting me, helping me to run my playlist. If I'm to start mentioning names of people that helped me, trust me, this video will be too long, so I can't start mentioning names. But trust me, I really appreciate everyone's support, for always even watching my videos, for always coming to my live stream, for always, you know, for everything. I don't take it for granted. Thank you so much. To cut the long story short, around April, I got April, no, I need to be precise now. April 14, I got my 4,000 watch. Oh, that day I was super excited. I need to tell you guys, streaming, despite the fact that I'm this girl that I love talking, I just want to, it got to a time I was, I was tired of streaming. I was tired, like, this is what I do. I will stream during the day, sometimes in the night. In fact, so it got to some, like, an extent, I embarrassed myself. I was streaming, and the sleep was coming. Instead of me to tell people that, oh guys, I'm sorry, please, I need to go and sleep, while I was talking, guys, I slept off. That's crazy, right? I slept off because I was on bed and we were talking, and I slept off. But then when I got that 4,000 watch hour, April 14, 2020, I was super excited. Like, it's one of the best days so far. Like, it's one of those. I was very happy. I was very happy. And in that day, I have to apply for partnership, and I was able to I created my AdSense account. Then I linked it, and my channel was under review. When my channel got under review, in fact, when I got my 4,000 watch hour, I need to tell you, I was sick again. I was having malaria. The malaria wanted to finish me. Like, I was treating it, and it was not even improving for like 7 days. So I have to, for some people that saw my what's it called, my posts on my community tab, I have to, when I noticed that the thing was getting worse, I have no choice than to tell people that, sorry, I will be taking break off YouTube for some days due to some reasons and blah that I will be back in no days. And it was because I was very sick, and I noticed that it was not improving. So I have to stay off social media for like 2-3 days. And after that day, like, I was sick for like, I think 9 days again. Like, the malaria really disturbed me. But then my channel was already under review. I posted video, but then I was not there to to stream and enjoy what I love doing. Because I love streaming and chatting with people. Let people call me, let's talk and talk. To cut the long story short, guys, on 21st of April, I got, I didn't see the message on 21st because it was sent to me, I think around 10:30 thereabouts, and I think I was sleeping when the message entered. Then on 22nd, I was just like, okay, let me check my YouTube studio and see what is happening. Humanly speaking, I was thinking that it would take me like 2-3 weeks before my channel can be monetized, not knowing that God is at work. It was within 14 to 21st of April. That's 7 days, right? So I got, congratulations, your channel cannot be monetized, blah oh my God, I was super that day, oh my God, I was sick. But that morning, I have to get up from my bed, scream, appreciate God, that, oh, victory at last. And I was like, God, thank you. I was not like, okay, I calculated when I started my channel back. I started August 16, and my channel got monetized April 21st, and I was exactly 6 months and few days. I was like, no, this is not even God. I was super excited. This is how I got my watch hour. Yeah, the reason why I'm saying this story is for for as many content creators that are yet to be monetized. They are young content creators like me, but probably your channel is yet to be monetized. I need to tell you, please don't give up. It is possible. There is nothing impossible. That is my belief. And for people like me, whereby I live in a country, there is no 24 hours light, and within 6 months, God can help me. Of course, God can help you. All you need to do is keep supporting people and be consistent. be consistent, and make sure when you upload your video, whenever you want to shoot your video, you know, at least give a quality video, at least a quality one. I'm not saying my quality is the best. Of course, I don't have camera, I don't have ring lights, I don't have anything. All I'm using is my phone. That is all. Okay, I have a small tripod, that's all. I don't have camera, I don't have ring lights to give, you know, your video something, like to give your video a quality. But then I was just like, I just have to start, you know, start. So if you are, you know, if you're about to start your channel, probably you're just seeing this video and you're about to start your channel, I encourage you, start with whatsoever you have. Don't wait until when you have camera of like 450 euros or pounds, or you know, $1,000 camera, the ring light of blah 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 or whatever. No, you don't need it. Start with whatsoever you have and be original. You know, just be you, just flow and enjoy the community. And so I really want to thank everyone. If you have watched this video today to this extent, God bless you. God bless you. Please don't stop supporting this girl. I promise to be giving you guys a quality video and, you know, something good. That is just it. I promise to give something good for you guys, and you can request for any video from me, anything you want to see. Just go ahead to my Instagram, send me a DM, or go ahead to my Gmail, send me mail. I will reply to it and I will be glad to shoot anything you want to see. Okay, thank you so much. And please, if you're watching my video, when you see ads, I beg of you, don't skip ads, because that is the way I can earn from this channel. If you skip any ads, I can't earn anything. Okay, it's not about the views, you know, it's not about the subscribers, it's about the numbers of ads that you watch. If you watch like 2-3 ads, it might give me like 2 cents, you know, it's still something. Okay, thank you so much guys for watching this video. I really appreciate. I don't take it for granted. I don't know, I just, you know, I just want to tell you how I got, you know, this 4,000 watch hour, how I started, and you know, the consistent and the journey how it looks like. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much everyone. I don't take this for granted. In case you are yet to subscribe to my channel, why not considering subscribe? When you subscribe, you're supporting this girl. When you like, you're supporting me. When you watch my ads, you're supporting me. When you now share, oh my god, sharing is caring. Anytime you see my videos that you like, do well to share on any social media platform, whether Facebook, WhatsApp, anywhere. Just share it. Instagram, share and share and share. Thank you so much guys. I'm super, you can see I'm super excited. I'm glad that you guys helped me on this journey, and now the journey just started. Yes, the journey just started. Thank you so much guys. I really appreciate. I don't know what next. I don't know, I just want to say everything, but then I think I need to stop right now. I need to end this video. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate. To my fellow YouTubers, God bless you. Crown your efforts, bless your work, bless everything that you do. Thank you so much. See you in my next video. Bye bye.